In this video, I'm going to give you 3 important messages related to wisdom. Now, most people think that wisdom is something that they get from other people, from what's already been done. But as this card is showing, we want to get it from outside of the world. That's why she's got the world in her hands. Now, if we're getting wisdom from outside of the world, that means we're getting it beyond what we already know. Now, what is beyond what we already know? Well, Einstein said it best when he said that imagination is a preview of life's coming attractions. So, she's holding it in her hand, that green heart chakra white light. She's able to use her imagination to formulate new things that she can then bring into the world. How's she going to do that? Well, she's going to do it by talking with other people. She's going to describe it to other people. She's going to share it with her children, with her friends, with her with whoever will listen. And in this happy communication process, she's going to be able to bring that white light down from imagination, from God, source, universe, from the never-ending, non-material space of wisdom. She's going to bring those ideas down into the world and share them with others. Now, the key here on wisdom is, not only is it from outside of this world of what we already know, but number 2, it is we have to have relationships with people who are going to allow us to share these high ideas, these new ideas, these wise ideas. So, look around in your life. You can tell who is set up to listen, to be a good spiritual friend, to be someone who is open-minded, someone who is easygoing emotionally, so that they're not battling with you or having a power struggle with you. You have these people in your life. Sometimes you can see them as like people that want to learn from you, people that are interested in hearing how you see the world, in hearing how you see the world. If you can find some of those people in your life, then you're going to be able to talk about and articulate your idea to the degree needed to put all the leaves on it so that it will grow. Now, the third thing we want to say about this is that the ideas themselves are all from one place, God, source, universe, whatever you want to call it. There isn't 2 powers that are trying to battle for you or for us or for any of this. That is a fairy tale. I'm talking about wisdom here. That is a big bunch of, well, it's just an idea. It's just an idea. It's just an imagined idea that there are 2 powers fighting each other. And so you don't have to subscribe to that idea. You should subscribe to this channel, though. You don't have to subscribe to that idea, though, because why? You can come up with your own. We need not that anyone teach us anything. God, source, universe will teach us himself from the Bible. And so you can see it here that that one power, that one white light is just giving ideas to you, to me, to her. And these ideas are from outside of the world, and we are going to bring them in with our words, with our descriptions, with our writing, with our actions, with the way that we communicate with each other. And that is, my friend, really all there is to say today about wisdom. I hope that you enjoy what's happening in your life, because it is happening very uniquely to you. To you. You are such a rare individual expression of the light of God in the world. Your use of words, actions, emotions, it's a unique set of data that nobody else has or ever will have. You assemble things in a way that is wisdom itself, just by who you are. That's your reading for today. Thank you so much. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, dig through some of the other videos in this channel. There's plenty of spiritual help here to be a friend to you along the way. Thank you so much.